Hello everyone, this is Jolie again. Today we're going to be reviewing my favorite iteration of Jordan's period, end of story period, and that's the Jordan 11s, okay? There is a reason why these get released every Christmas, okay? Or, around Christmas time, the first weeks of December, because this is one of the best gifts you can give people, okay? So without further ado, we're going to review the shoe. This is Jordan 11 Cool Gray that was released on December 9th of 2021. Of course, it is one of the highest retailing shoes you can get, $225 USD. The resale, of course, it's beyond ridiculous, okay? Luckily for me, I didn't pay resale on this, but as you can see, thank you UPS, the box is very, very damaged. It's pretty bad, okay? Anyways, so I said, the last time this shoe was released was on, this is the second time the Jordan 11 Cool Gray is released, excuse me. It was released in 2012, I believe. That was the last time it was released, Cool Gray 2012. Again, the boxes are not as nice as the old other Jordan 11 variants, as you can see, with the nice ring where you can pull them out. They have the nice plastic inserts. And the reason for that, guys, is because Jordan is saying the brand is trying to fight carbon emissions. So they're trying to reduce plastics and things of that nature. So the boxes are not as unique as they were back in the day. Anyway, we're going to review the shoe real quick. And here we go. And there it is. Jordan, 11 Cool Gray. Both pairs are the same, so I'm not going to get into it regarding, I'm going to do one pair or do another pair. No, I'm not going to do that, so I'm just going to review one pair, okay? So there it is, Jordan 11 Cool Gray. Really nice, right? Really, really nice. As you can see, the inserts, they used to be like these nice little colored plastics. Now they're just, straight regular cardboard. So I'm going to go ahead and put this back in. The shoelaces are in. Cool Gray, there it is right there. The sole, right, looks really nice and clean. Carbon fiber at the bottom. The checkered, checkerboard carbon fiber at the bottom. The nice grip, the nice clean sole. The white, of course, Jordan 11, notorious for the patent leather. Patent leather is what a lot of people are attracted to the shoe about. Number 23 symbol back here. It's a sticker, and again, like I've always said before, it'll crack with time. It's not meant to, last the test of time, things of that nature. So that's gonna crack. What's different about these is the white shoelaces, right? It gives it another, vibrant, more colorful look to it. It's more standing in that way. Great color. Again, the biggest difference in this iteration of the Jordan 11s is it's suede. So hopefully you guys can catch a glimpse of it. See, it's suede here. Now it does offer a more unique aspect to the shoe, but the downside is once this gets dirty, it's done, right? It is completely done. There's no other way to put it. Like once it gets dirty, that's it. Also, the tongue is very suede feel-like. Now it does feel good. It gives it a more attractive appearance to the shoe, but in terms of upkeep and things of that nature, it's very hard to maintain. Of course, you got the Jumpman Jordan symbol here on the tongue. It's real nice. It's real nice shoe. The Jordan symbol, of course, is stitch here. Most of them have stitch. There's other different versions that you've seen in the past where it's a plaque, where it's like glued on there. I do prefer the stitching because, it just lasts longer. It just looks more appealing to me when it's actually stitched on there. Of course, this is not, so, it's kind of a downside of it. One of the biggest things that I've seen in the community is the toe base, the toe. This is more slanted. It's more slanted. It's not as rounded as the other iterations of the shoe. Okay, and I'm gonna prove it to you right now because Nike didn't really say anything of this. It was mainly the community. Okay, and I'm gonna bring in here a really good comparison here, and that's the bread that was released in 2019. And even just from the top, you could see right away where it slants. I'm going to give you guys a closer still, but maybe you guys can see it from the camera angle. See, it's more rounded, and you can see right away where the shoe, as you can see comparisons here, you notice how my fingers fit here, but they don't really fit on this side. So that's what happens, like it's more rounded up to the top, where this one is more slanted down. It's more prone to the ground. You can see right away from the clearance here. You can tell right away it's a big difference. And like I said, I'm going to give you guys some stills from the top and from the side, so you guys can take a better look. And that was a big difference. It was a big finding on the on this New Year's Jordan 11 release. So I'm gonna go ahead and put the 11 break away. You know, it's really nice. And again, guys, you know, the problem with the sole at the bottom, it's gonna get fade away with time. Right now, it looks really nice, but give this bad boy maybe 2 or 3 years, and man, that glue just goes yellow as, you know. I don't know, it's just, it gets terrible. And I'm going to give you an example of it right now. And yeah, as you can see, it's just terrible. Like, even though they're brand new, and this still is taken from a brand new shoe when it was released back in the day, because again, this is the second time it's been released. And the yellowing is just bad. Like, it's bad at every level whatsoever. Anyways, so without further ado, let's give it a grade. Again, it's Jordan 11, you know, style-wise, I'll go with an A+. You know, it just looks good on anything. You know, I'm not going to be rocking a tuxedo, because I don't have a tuxedo and things of that nature, but let's face it, it looks good with anything. Design purposes, basketball purposes wise, again, it's an A+. It's really good. The grip on it is amazing. Again, the fact that it protects your ankle because it's more of a mid-high shoe, it's perfect to me. You know, it's what you want. It's protection, and the grip on it is insane. And overall, it's an A+. I mean, these shoes, you can't go wrong with them. They're really good for what they're designed for, style-wise, everything purpose-wise. They're really good overall. So there you have it, guys. Please let me know if you have any comments, feedback. I really appreciate it. And like always, have a blessed day. These were really difficult to get a hold of, okay? You have no idea. Never pay resale, okay? That's my motto. And I was lucky enough to get them. And you know how I feel about the sneakers app. I think it's complete trash, but that's a story for another day. So, like I said, have a blessed day, and y'all have a good one.